Alright, so let's take a look at this DuraTech compression ring removal tool for a 1/2 inch pipe. And this is model DTC SPT02. And the other day I needed this and I actually messed up the ring by cutting it. I ended up having to solder the pipe, extend it, a lot of work. If I would have had this tool, I would have saved myself a ton of time. So you could get this one in a different kit, also with a wrench and a couple of little things. But very, very simple. All right, so this is for the inner part of the 1/2 inch pipe, and it does spin. Okay, so I'm gonna try it out and see how it actually works. But you know, these are the kind of tools that get you out of a jam. All right. They have a lot of great tools. All right, so let's go ahead and emulate the pipe coming out of the wall with one of those little valves, fittings for the toilet or for your sink. And actually, this happened to me a month ago. I'm remodeling the bathroom. Sometimes these things will crack and you have to replace it. And what happened was I tried to cut the little olive ring and I cut into the pipe. I had to solder it, extend it. It was a lot of work. If I would have had this tool, it would have been fantastic. So some of these, sometimes, like I say, they crack and you have to replace it. If not, they leak. All right, so stuck on there. Let's go ahead and give it a try. So this part slides in and this kind of spins and holds the pipe in place. You have to bring this all the way in. You want to screw it in as much as possible. That way you don't want to mess up this thread. If you get it just in the tip, all right, let's see if it works. See, sliding out. And there it goes. Beautiful. Awesome. I love it. I wish I would have discovered this years ago. And there you go. Came out. You might even be able to reuse it. Very nice. All right, perfect.